Imagine this. You've got a big presentation tomorrow. Maybe it's for your boss, your investors, or your class project. You open PowerPoint or Google Slides, and suddenly you're stuck. You're dragging text boxes, resizing images, adjusting fonts, and 2 hours later, your slides still look, well, kind of boring. We've all been there. But what if I told you there's a tool that lets you skip all that and focus only on your ideas while AI does the design for you? That's exactly what Gamma. In a church's app promises, and today we're going to explore it in detail. So, what is Gamma? App? At its core, Gamma is an AI-powered platform that helps you create presentations, documents, and even mini websites in just a few clicks. Unlike the old-school tools we've been using for years, Gamma is built with AI baked right in. That means it's not just giving you templates, it's actually generating your content, designing your layout, and making everything look clean and professional automatically. Let's start with the big problem Gamma is solving. Presentations haven't really evolved much in the last 20 years. Sure, software has gotten faster and we've got more templates, but the process is still the same. You open a blank slide deck, you start typing, then you spend hours tweaking the design. The end result? Maybe it looks good, but it's definitely not the best use of your time. Gamma flips that on its head. Instead of spending hours formatting, you just tell Gamma what you want, and it builds the entire structure for you. Here's how it works. Let's say I want to create a pitch deck. I can type in a simple outline, maybe something like problem, solution, market opportunity, business model. Gamma instantly generates a professional slide deck with each of those points laid out, complete with visuals, clean typography, and a consistent theme. And if you don't like the design, no problem. You can just ask Gamma to adjust the style, switch the layout, or add more visuals. It's like having a personal designer working beside you in real time. But it doesn't stop with slides. Gamma can also turn that same deck into a shareable website or a document. So instead of juggling different tools, you can build everything in one place. This is huge if you're someone who needs to send both slides and PDFs. Once you arrive on the Gamma website and click on Start for free, the platform guides you through a quick setup process. Instead of diving directly into content creation, it first asks a couple of simple questions. These questions are about what best describes your role and what you plan to use Gamma for. The purpose of this is to personalize your experience so that the platform can recommend the most relevant features to you. After you answer those quick questions, Gamma sets up your account and takes you to the next screen. Here, you'll notice 3 main options for starting your project. Clicking on Generate brings you to the main content creation page. At the top of this page, Gamma gives you the choice to decide what type of content you want to make, such as a presentation, web page, document, or social format. Just below these options, you can customize details like how many slides or cards you want, the layout style, and even the language of your project. In the center of the page, there is a text box that says, "Describe what you'd like to make." This is where you enter your idea or prompt. Gamma also makes it easy to get started by providing sample prompts you can use for inspiration, or if you want to publish a quick landing page without hiring a developer. Now, let's talk about features in more detail. Gamma gives you over 100 customizable themes, so your work can match your brand or personal style. Here, the prompt entered is "Portfolio website for a freelance writer." Once that's typed in, all you need to do is click the blue button that says Generate Outline. After clicking Generate, Gamma instantly creates a full outline for your project. In this case, it builds the structure of a complete portfolio website for a freelance writer. The outline begins with a welcome section, which introduces the writer and sets the tone for the site. Next, it includes an About Me section, giving space for a short bio, a personal photo, and any notable achievements or publications. The next part of the outline is a section for featured work, where you can highlight 3-5 standout writing samples. These could be articles, blog posts, or multimedia pieces, and Gamma even suggests including thumbnails and links to the full work. After that, there's a section for writing categories, which organizes your work by topic or style so that potential clients can quickly find what's relevant to them. Moving forward, The outline also includes client testimonials and success stories, a space to showcase quotes from editors, clients, or collaborators who can speak about your skills and professionalism. This adds credibility and trust to your portfolio. Altogether, Gamma takes a simple idea like portfolio website for a freelance writer and instantly transforms it into a complete, structured outline with all the right sections you'd need to present yourself professionally. It also integrates AI text generation, meaning if you don't know exactly what to write, Gamma can help you brainstorm, refine, or even rewrite your content. Collaboration is another strong point. You can invite teammates to edit, just like in Google Docs, which makes group projects or company decks much easier. And one thing I personally love is how Gamma handles formatting. Instead of you dragging things around, it automatically keeps everything aligned and balanced. No more obsessing over whether a text box is 2 pixels off. Zero effort. It's fast, it's collaborative, and it can take your ideas from a rough outline to a polished product in minutes. Now, here's my question to you. Would you replace PowerPoint or Google Slides with Gamma? Or do you think these traditional tools still have a place? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to AI LedgerX, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our deep dives into the latest AI tools. We've got some amazing ones coming up, and trust me, you won't want to miss them. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and let AI do the heavy lifting.